Good afternoon, math students and math families. I wanted to share with you a quick video about navigating and finding Connect Ed games when you are on the Canvas page. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you and walk you through this process. Okay, so once you're logged into Canvas, make sure that you are logged in with your student's account information. And make sure that you are in math, not in homeroom, because Connect Ed will not appear if you are in your homeroom page. So you want to make sure that you are in the math page. From there, on the left-hand side, you should see the words Connect Ed. Now mine's a little bit further down because I'm in Teacher View, but your student will also have the words Connect Ed. And then you will click on that. Okay, again, my screen looks just slightly different, but you will get a red math journal that pops up, and it will say Student Edition. That is what you want to click on. So watch what happens when I click on it for today, for example. It goes to the math lesson that we were recently working on. Some days I'm going to have you access some of these other boxes and other materials that are within the everyday math lesson, but for now we're going to focus on just how to find everyday math games. So once you're at this screen, you're going to select everyday math games online. And it brings up a wide variety of games that your student can play that are tied to math standards that we've been working on in class. So all your student will need to do at this point is just select the game that they want to play. Now here at the top, someone asked, what do these icons mean? So if I hover over them, it tells me that single player or multiplayer. If you want to play this with your child, you could be a player in the game and select multiplayer, that's fine. If your student selects single player, that is fine as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on a game and show you what it would look like. And then start. All right, since I chose single player, the computer is going to play against me. So it's telling me that I need to pick my color and the computer's, and now I'm ready to play.
Hello. Let's play Top It. Player 1, it's your turn. Click the tree to get some coconuts.
Someone asked, well, if I or my student get in this game and we're not sure and we need help on how to play the game, you can always come up to this question mark.
Click the tree to get some coconuts.
And it will tell you the next step. If you're in a game and the game is not working for you, you want to try something else, you can always click the X as well. And it will ask you, what do you want to do next? Keep playing, pick a new game, or end game. So I'm going to go ahead and do end game. Okay, so we found the games from clicking Connect Ed on the left-hand side of our Canvas page, clicking on that red student math journal, and it brought this screen up, and we clicked EM, Everyday Math Games Online. While I'm here, let me just show you one other thing as well. On homework assignments, you have been accessing home links at home throughout the year in your home link book. You can also find those here by doing Everyday Math at Home. Some people had asked about that. So Everyday Math at Home, I can always find today's home link. And it will pull up the home link, not only in English, but also in Spanish. Let me show you something else pretty cool about this. So it has some games that are suggested for today's games that you could try. These were like games that were just in the game site that we looked at. Also, some do anytime activities. It pulls up some suggestions for things that you can do that go along with different units of study that we are working on in math. For example, right now we're on Unit 7. So some great suggestions here for Unit 7 activities. In case you are wondering how you know that so quickly that we're on Unit 7, let me show you something. When it says here at the top, go to Lesson 7:10, this is referring to Unit 7, Lesson 10. All right, so now I'm going to flip the screen again. And hopefully that really quick, short video helps you understand how to find a math game that you can do in Connect Ed. Now, your students are very good at logging into Connect Ed at school because it's often a may-do in math class, so they can also help you as well. But I thought if you were having some troubles at home, that this video might help.